Welcome to New Rich Nomads. I'm Sam Lepak, the founder of New Rich Nomads, the place where individuals go to find the secrets and shortcuts to maximize their work from home and travel lifestyle. Our goal is to help you work from home and travel the world by providing step-by-step guides, tools, frameworks, cheat sheets, scripts, and so much more. We post brand new content focusing on two core things. One, traveling smarter, longer, and cheaper, and two, working from home. For example, if you travel and book your accommodation through Airbnb, then you will want to get access to the exact scripts to negotiate and save money on your next Airbnb stay. Or if you work from home and have a hard time unplugging from work, then you will want to know the secrets to condition your devices and environments to separate work from play. If either of these sound helpful to you, then you're in the right spot. Just click on the subscribe button below this video and join our community for the secrets and shortcuts to experience the work from home and world travel lifestyle that you deserve. Lastly, if you want exclusive work from home and travel secrets that I only share with subscribers, head over to newrichnomads.com and join the newsletter. It's free. Now I want to hear from you. What work from home and travel resources do you want me to share with you? Do you want me to help you choose your next travel destination, how not to get treated like a foreigner, or how to automate your finances when living outside your home country? Whatever it may be, I want to hear from you by leaving a comment below. Head over to newrichnomads.com and join the newsletter. It's free. Head over to newrichnomads.com and join the newsletter. It's free.